This altcoin is going to shock you. So this video is all about this top altcoin that is about to blast off. I don't know you, but I'm pretty excited about it. We're going to check that out. And bonus, there's a possible hidden gem alert. Hidden gem alert. So definitely want to stay tuned for that. And before we dive into all this great content, make sure you smash that like button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So jumping right into it. We're checking out Bitcoin. We got to first start with some good old Bitcoin. We have this ascending, we have this bull flag right here. And look at it, we did break out. If you recall, we broke down below this and we did have a close and it looked pretty bearish. I was like, okay, it's invalid, but we broke through. Everything's looking mighty fine. And I do have the measure move of exactly where we broke through. So, you know, you may be curious, what's the updated on this bull flag? What's going on with it? What's our projected price target? The projected price target with this bull flag is right here at $55,000. So basically, we could see anything between like a $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin in the near future, as long as this bull flag plays out. Things are looking mighty fine. So it's cool to see that breakout right there, because you know, like when we first saw this, I did move this back and forth. Say, hey, if we end up taking a little bit longer to break out, you know, it'd be like closer to 50,000. You know, if it happens sooner, it'd be closer to 60. Right now, it's looking like right in the middle, around 55, 56,000. So I don't know you, I'd be excited, ecstatic for a $56,000 Bitcoin. So that's up with Bitcoin. We also have, you know, we're going to check out the graph before we get into, you know, that top alt that's about to just shock everybody. So something everybody wants to see, you know, like I said, I thought like in yesterday's live stream or live streams went over that, you know, I thought the graph was a little overextended here. I didn't expect this next higher high to be so high. I thought we'd hit major resistance here at 74, 75 cents. Obviously, I'm just human, and I just make my opinion based off the chart, and I was wrong. Hey, you know what? The crypto is wrong sometimes. It does happen. But look, I did say that we were going to end up holding the 74, 75 cent resistance, hold that as support. Look, we are currently holding it as support. We're on the 4-hour chart, and it's looking pretty solid. I expect us to hold this, bounce off this, and go well through $1 graph. You excited for that? I know I am. So I definitely expect that. I mean, a possible wick, you know, maybe down to like 68 cents, but it's going to get bought up fast because it's the Google of blockchain. So that's all I got to say about that. And, you know, obviously smack the likes. But, you know, the top altcoin that's just going to shock you because it is ready. It is ready. It has been, you know, on the DL. People are not liking it. And guess what? It's about to finally blast off. So that altcoin is one and only Ethereum. We have this ascending triangle, and it looks like this thing has a very high potential of breaking out. If we can get above here around the $1,430 region, we break out above this and hold it as support. I'm going to show you the measure move. The measure move is probably going to shock you. So let's you know, move this down a little bit. We're going to do our measured move live real quick. So you just draw from right here. Got to use my keyboard to make it straight. Bam! Look at that. Now we just take it. Let's say, like, you know, say we break out here. Let's move this down a little bit. Look at this, $1,880. Just basically hitting $1,800, a little like over that. I don't know about you, but that is an exciting move to see from Ethereum, because what was mentioned in a previous video that says, where is it at? Where I said when altcoin season starts, right here, we have that video, which we're gonna mute it. Altcoin season starts when this happens. Ethereum breaking all-time high was one of those things. So we're getting close to full-on alt season, because we're definitely in, you know, a mini alt season, but the full effect, it's going to be exciting when we have Ethereum blast off. It is about just to blast off. This right here is going to shock you. But what do you think about this? You think it's going to break out? Obviously, it's not confirmed yet. You know, if you want to treat this as a trade, don't buy in. Like, don't buy your position until you break out and confirm. That means breaking above here and holding support. You have to make your decision if you base it off the 4-hour, the 12-hour, the 1 day. Obviously, the 1 day is stronger than the 12-hour. 12-hour is stronger than the 4-hour. Just keep that in mind. You're basically talking $1,800 Ethereum. That would be amazing, because you know what happens when we make all-time high? We make all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. We just keep going higher. It's just great. It's just great. So, you know, in the beginning of the video, I did mention that hidden gems. We are going to get into that. But before we do that, we have this, interesting tweet by Pump. Everybody hates Coinbase. Everybody's hating on it that, hey, it doesn't work. It's always down. Well, it's only up when, XRP was supposed to pump and they don't have it listing. So, of course, it was working then. But nonetheless, Pump tweeted out, Coinbase had 1.3 app downloads, like $1.3 million app downloads in January. That's more than E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and SoFi had ... combined. What does that say about cryptocurrency? You're talking E-Trade, you're talking all these traditional finance platforms, all of them combined. Coinbase still had more than them. That right there is amazing and shocking. I don't know about you, but it's definitely something to think about. As much as we may hate Coinbase for going down, they're a big player in this space. They help a lot of new people get into the space. So you can't forget about that. So diving into that, hidden gem out there, the possible hidden gem. We're gonna go pop this up right here on the coin get-goes. Are you guys ready for it? It's this coin called Kudos. Kudos to you. Currently, it's around 6.1 cents. When I first found it, it was up like 20 cents. But it's a $12 million market cap. So some people say, oh, the crypto, that's not a micro cap. That's just a regular cap. Guess what? It's a $12 million market cap. That's still pretty low. Massive gains can easily be made off of this. Because look, scroll down to the markets. So on Uniswap, BitMax, Bilaxy just got listed on Coinbase. And I apologize. Just got listed on Kucoin and Poloniex. Let me phrase that again. Just got listed on Kucoin, not Coinbase. Not Coinbase. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's only on a couple exchanges. We shall see what happens with that. And just a little overview right here. The all-time high was about 12.9 cents. All-time low is about 3.6 cents. So hey, it's not too bad. We're hanging in there at 6 cents right now. So it's up a little bit from the low, but as you know, things have time to move. So it's most of the volume is definitely on Uniswap. So if you're interested, most of the volume's there. Keep in mind though, fees are pretty high with Ethereum, so just keep that in mind. But if you use any of these other exchanges, that works as well. We're just gonna head over to the website real quick. Just just a brief little introduction. It says the infrastructure token for Web 3.0. When I was doing my research, I came across stuff that they're comparing themselves with Filecoin, so that's something interesting. If you've all watched my live streams, I'm super duper bullish on Filecoin. Yes, it's a sleeper right now. You may be like, the crypto homie, it hasn't moved in forever. What's gonna happen? Guess what? One day Filecoin is gonna wake up. It's a sleeping beast right now. Once this beast wakes up, it is going to shock everybody. Because remember what happened at the main net launch. Remember what happened here? Look at this on the weekly. We literally shopped at like $300. Crazy. Then we dumped since. So much hype here, no hype here. I like to buy stuff when there's no hype. Why did I not buy XRP over the weekend and yesterday? Because there was so much hype. Do I enjoy the hype? Do I enjoy the journey? Yes, I do. Did I already have a bag? Yes, I did. It's just what I do. I love the journey. I love spreading the information out there, good and bad. Hey, it's part of the crypto space, and like a lot of people liked it, so definitely had to talk about it. But I also talk about the stuff that no one's talking about. No one's talking about Filecoin. No one's talking about Kudos. So just keep that in mind. What is your opinion on Kudos? What is your opinion on Filecoin? And did you buy XRP at a high price yesterday? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, what do you think about this ascending triangle for Ethereum? Do you think it's actually going to blow? Do you think we're about to blast off? Are you getting ready for an $1,800 Ethereum? That'd be crazy. But I definitely like that as well. But as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some dude on the internet. This is just friendly entertainment online, non-financial advice. As always, smash that like, subscribe for more content. And the Crypto Homie will catch you in the next one.